Welcome to New York vlog. If you guys can hear me clearly, हम लोग जा रहे हैं एक्साइटेड और बहुत ठंड है बट पूरी फ्लाइट फुल है मेरे साथ कोई भी नहीं एक अलग तरह की खुशी मिलती है जब आपके साथ कोई
Ladies and gentlemen, just a quick reminder, the aircraft doors closed at this time. We need everybody to see with their seatbelt fastened. Please, if you're on your telephone, those devices need to be set to airplane mode. Please end all phone calls at this point.
गुड मॉर्निंग, इट्स डे 1 इन न्यूयॉर्क। कल रात को हम आए थे और हम इतने थके हुए थे पर हमने एक अमेजिंग सी जगह पे इंडियन खाना खाया। दैट वाज कॉल्ड राज किचन, इंडियन किचन। तो आज हम जा रहे हैं वुड्सबेरी और वो है एक आउटलेट मॉल जहाँ पे मोर देन 200 स्टोर्स हैं एंड ही गोना शॉप सो मच, सो एक्साइटेड फॉर दैट। ऑल्सो नेक्स्ट वीक है ब्लैक फ्राइडे, तो बहुत जगह पे न्यूयॉर्क में सेल है and sale time is the best time to shop. मम्मी say hi. मम्मी आपको सबसे अच्छा क्या लगा अभी तक? न्यूयॉर्क सब। So yes, अभी हम वेट कर रहे हैं अपनी कैब की and then we'll go. पर मैं आपको अपने रूम से व्यू दिखा देती हूँ। कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा अमेजिंग तो नहीं है but it's New York guys, so yes. So that's the view and right now I'm just wearing this, I don't know if you can see it, a long sweater and it's very cold. It's like 5 degrees outside. तो इसके ऊपर I'm just gonna add blazer and yes. So मैं आपको अपनी फाइनल लुक दिखाऊंगी जब हम वहाँ पे जाएंगे and I don't know how much I'll be able to vlog today because I'll be busy shopping, but I'll definitely show you guys the area because वो बहुत ही amazing place है to shop. जब हम कल आए थे so our driver suggested that we should definitely go there and yeah, so let's go. कितनी प्यारी लग रही है, क्यों नहीं डालूंगी।
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush.
If you're looking for some amazing sugar, like in your sugar rush in your body, then definitely visit this store called It's Sugar. Oh my god, such yummy things to eat. And guys, it's super cold outside, like really cold, but look at this heaven. Bought few stuff and then we got a lot of stuff from Coach. Yes, a shopping haul, a huge one coming up really soon to you, or maybe by the time you watch this it's already uploaded. So if it's uploaded I'll be link it here and there somewhere. I don't think so we're gonna shop more, or maybe we'll go to 1 or 2 stores, but it's so much fun. Like shopping makes you really happy. Like shopping makes me really happy. Let's go.
Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back. While I'm on a one-way track. Now I know what it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I've got, it is just enough to get by.
Hello guys, we just came back. Like we came back and then again we went for dinner at the same place called Raj Indian Kitchen. The food was so yummy guys, it was so yummy. But आज हमने दोपहर को पिज़्ज़ा खाया था, वो भी बहुत yummy था and we shopped a lot. That's why I sound really tired because I am really tired. और हमने बहुत सारी शॉपिंग की। आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड टू शेयर विद यू गाइस व्हाट ऑल आई शॉप। सो एक नहीं मुझे 2 हॉल्स बनाने पड़ेंगे, बट आई एम एक्साइटेड फॉर दैट एंड आई एम जस्ट गोना कॉल इट नाइट एंड सी यू गाइस टुमारो मॉर्निंग। गुड नाइट, गुड नाइट, गुड नाइट। Good morning. उठ जा यार, सुबह हो गई है, उठना. Good morning guys, it's day 2 in New York and I'm ready and I don't know why my camera is not focusing. Okay, so today I have done this makeup look which is like my everyday holiday makeup look, but I've used this new lipstick from Estee Lauder. I've used the double wear foundation from Estee Lauder and it's bomb. I really like it. Also I got the blush from Estee Lauder. It looks really pretty. So yes, I'm all ready and I really like my makeup today. It looks really nice. And for the detailed review and everything, I'll speak to you and I'll be talking my haul about the products. Or maybe we can do this makeup look later on. And if you want me to tell you how I did this makeup look, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely do that for you guys. And yes, so today we're doing a city tour. Oh, Mom. And Mom is here. So that's how we're looking. आज मम्मी ने भी H&M, मैंने भी H&M पहना है. And let me show you what I'm wearing. और बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है. This won't be enough. So I'm gonna wear a jacket. But right now, just wearing this sweater with my Zara jeans. And this is for the stuff we bought yesterday. And I'll be wearing my Zara jacket on it. So yes, बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है. That कि हमको कल specially caps and everything लेना पड़ा. And yes, so let's go. We don't know where exactly we're going, so we'll be going there and then we're looking for some city tour buses, and whatever will suit us, we'll take that one because we want to see the city and we always do that. Whenever we go to any city, we just go and do a city tour. Go. You see Statue of Liberty.
Life is a winding
Say hi to my camera, my YouTube channel.
no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get
So cold, guys, so cold.
When I think about yesterday, my oh my, my oh my, a kiss and so I did. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. I feel
So we saw the 9/11 memorial 9/11 memorial and we are walking to Jari to take our bus. It's super cold, guys, and I have to wear this. I am not focusing on it. I'm looking because it's so cold. Also, we had some yummy salad and vegetable curry. Really yummy, but I didn't record. Coffee is must. If you're coming here in winters, you have to keep drinking something. Sunshine. I'm loving it. Need it badly. यार बहुत ठंड है। मुझे लगता है मैं इस पूरे ब्लॉग में से यही बोल रही हूँ कि बहुत ठंड है, बहुत ठंड है, क्योंकि बहुत ठंड है। ओके, लेट्स गो, लेट्स सी व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट। वी गोइंग टू स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी आफ्टर दिस। लेट्स गो।
I've heard a story, I've heard it said, I've come to believe that love is a bet. Sometimes you win and sometimes you lose, and sometimes it calls you right in the move. Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy my hunger.
So it's like a 15 minutes walk and we're still walking, but it feels better now. Actually, it feels really so much better. So we're just walking towards the boat which will take us near to the Statue of Liberty. Also, I read online that you can actually climb up there at Statue of Liberty and you get tickets. You have to book tickets like 3 months prior because they only allow like 500 people at a time or something like that. So if you want to do a research and if you're coming here, you can plan that too, because we got too late to plan that. But then you have to climb up like 800 stairs and go. But yeah, I'm excited to see it. It's like a dream come true. So just going. यार धूप इतनी अच्छी लग रही है, सच में इतना अच्छा लग रहा है ना। और आई एम एक्चुअली लविंग व्लॉगिंग. इफ़ यू सी मोस्ट ऑफ माई पिक्चर्स इट्स विद माई व्लॉग कैमरा. दैट मीन्स आई एम व्लॉगिंग ऑल टाइम. आई एम व्लॉगिंग द मोस्ट ऑफ माई ट्रिप, trying to do that, and I hope I edit it well because I'm gonna edit it all by myself. So मेरी मेहनत को प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए.
Be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal.
Morning. It's our last day of the trip and also in New York, which is really sad. And I couldn't vlog much yesterday. एक तो बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड थी और हम बस घूमने में बहुत ज़्यादा busy थे. फिर भी I showed you a glimpse of wherever we went. So today it's like a free day, so we're just gonna chill. It's also my mom and dad's anniversary. It's their 30th anniversary and हमने कुछ नहीं उनके लिए किया है. But we're gonna go and chill today with them. And oh, it's all messy here right now. So right now I'm going for breakfast, so I will catch you guys after my breakfast. Just took shower and yeah, bye bye, see ya, have a great day. So we're ready to go. और कल इतनी ज़्यादा ठंड थी कि आज हम एकदम ठंड के लिए रेडी होके जा रहे हैं. And I hope कि हमें ठंड ना लगे. And I hope this vlog is not about ठंड लगना all the time. And look at Shobha. Shobha, show me what you're wearing. Nice. I'm wearing this. And I got this from Forever 21. Looks nice. Tag भी नहीं निकाला है हमने. इतना नया है. पर scissors नहीं है तो let's see कैसे निकलेगा. But all set to go. और आज हम मुझे लगता है फिर से end up shopping plan है और chilling plan है. And मम्मी पापा से भी मिलाती हूँ, उनकी एनिवर्सरी है. Let's go. चलो. Happy anniversary, मम्मी पापा. So we are at the Times Square yet again. इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल. अगर आप सुबह भी आ रहे हैं ना, बहुत अमेजिंग दिख रहे हैं. एंड थैंक्स टू दिस जैकेट आज हम ठंड से बच के अपडेट ऑन ठंड एक्चुअली. इट्स वेरी कूल. हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी मम्मा. थैंक यू. हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी.
Thank you.
If I ever said enough times, I can never let you go when you're not mine.